Are you a student who scores between 50 to 75% marks? Let me tell you a truth no one tells you in school. Your marks will not decide your salary. Yes, it's true. Your marks are not going to decide your salary. Right now, it feels like marks are everything. Parents ask, teachers compare, relatives judge. You feel if I don't score well, my future is finished, right? But wait, let me ask you something. Do you know the marks of your parents? Exactly. No one asks. Companies don't pay you for marks. They pay you for the skills that you have, your problem solving ability, your confidence, communication skills, and your ability to deliver results. Let's take an example. Suppose student A scores 90% marks and student B scores 60% marks. Now you will think that mostly students and parents also think the same way, that the student A who has scored 90% marks will definitely build a huge successful career, will definitely be earning a huge salary every month, right? Yeah, that may be the case. But most important, let me tell you, student A waits for opportunities. Student B learns skills, does internships, learns communication, and gets real world exposure. What happens? Student B earns more than student A after 5 years. Why? Because salary follows value, not marks. Now listen carefully. I'm not saying that marks don't matter or marks are not important. They are very important because marks help you to enter a good college, right? And then from there you can build a big career. But marks alone cannot help you build a successful career or help you build a big career. Your future salary depends on what skills you build, how early you explore careers, how confident you are, how well you adapt and learn, and how you handle failure. So, if you are scoring between 50 to 75% marks, now this is very important. If you are someone who is scoring between 50 to 75% marks on an average, then this message is specially for you. This is for all the students of class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th who generally score between 50% to 75% marks. You are not weak. You are just not taught how to use your strengths. Marks are a chapter, skills are the whole book, and life rewards the people who keep upgrading themselves. So stop thinking that I'm bad because my marks are low and start asking yourself, what skills should I build for my dream career? Your future salary is still in your hands, trust me. Now, a most important announcement for all the class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th students, those who generally score between 50 to 75% marks. Don't think that you are scoring low. If you want to know what skills you need to build, if you want to learn problem solving, if you want to build confidence, if you want to learn communication skills, if you want to develop the ability to deliver results, and finally, if you want to build a successful career, if you want to make your parents proud, then comment yes, and I will tell you how you can do all of this.